Howdy folks, Doc here with Last Best Tool, and these are the Klein ASEM1. This is the 20 decibel reduction earmuffs with Bluetooth connectivity and some controls. Now I've done videos about some of my other Bluetooth ear things. I've got a handful for various outdoor activities, but I always kind of went back to these 3M work tunes. They've just been solid. They're not super expensive, real simple, but there are some things that I think needed updating, and that's why I'm happy with these. And I've used it quite a bit lately. They are more adjustable, more comfortable, more controllable, and easier to charge than the 3M. Not that the 3M is bad, and there's probably an updated version, but first of all, it's got the old micro USB, and I'm just not carrying as many cables or having charging ports with those as I used to. It does have no adjustability as far as you basically turn it on and off, and you can answer calls, and that's it. And I often find that I want volume, and that's kind of a big deal. And the reason is I may not have my phone with me, because with Bluetooth my phone could be up to 30 feet away, or it's in something, and as I'm working to it's in something to protect it, and I don't want to stop and adjust the volume. So that actually works great. Or when you're taking calls, you can adjust the volume, because sometimes the music you're listening to is at a different volume than you'd want the phone call. The only thing that's lacking that I noticed is when you turn it on.
Power on. Pairing.
So it's powered on and paired. This one does tell you the battery level, and I wish this did. There is a little battery indicator light right here that shows you some of that, but I always miss this. I'll turn this one on. I'm holding it by a microphone.
Power on. Battery high.
So there you go. I wish it just mentioned the battery level. As far as comfort, I used these a ton over the last week, and in some hot weather, believe it or not. And you get a little sweaty. Same with this, because of that rubbery material, but not bad at all. I like that it's marked right and left on the inside. Sometimes, especially in lower light, it's hard to tell. Beefier cables here, if you look at that. The wire band looks a little shinier, probably because of age. This is definitely noticeably cooler than that. Especially sometimes I'll be wearing a hat as well. So being able to put that on without keeping as much heat in there, and it stays on. This is more rubbery, a little more sticky than the work tunes. But anyway, once you get these, if you haven't used them, just being able to, say, listen to the news or podcast or audiobooks or music or whatever it is, the sound quality is plenty good for all of that. Some people think that, you've got to have really high-end headphones for good quality music, but think about it. I might be grinding cement with an angle grinder, or I'm mowing a lawn, or I'm weed eating, or I'm using a chainsaw or whatever, and I'm not going to need perfect music, but this is really good. I mean, they're working on it. And Klein has been with me for quite a while as far as the sound in my worksite areas. I've been using their speakers and absolutely love them. Anyway, I thought I'd bring this to your attention if you're looking for something like this. There it is, the Klein earmuffs with Bluetooth. And it's a new Bluetooth. It's 5.3, which is another big thing. It pairs instantly, remembers everything just fine. And then with the volume control, you're set to go. And with that, Doc out.